Me like how you answer the question. See me here, me register with rada. See me paper here. Alright. And this are the summons when me get to go to court. The second of September we have to go to court. And at the police station out of Bagwell police. No Bagwell, Bagwag police. The Bagwag police, them a lock we up on a charge if we goods when we are going to market. Bagwag police. See them register with rada, see it. So me rada receipt, yeah. See it. And this is a summons so me get to go to court. Cheer we. One whole heap of we. Then lock we up and charge we. And see it, me register with rada, see it. Me register with rada and the police still lock me up. And charge me and say me have to carry money to come to court. So tell me what me have to go do now. Alright, talk about you know if you come down, see me farm here, see it here, this is my banana. And my yard here, so me cut it, you know, see it there. This see it there. Yes, I see my banana them here, see it there. Yes, I me cut my banana. What me I go do? Get receipt for my banana. Come princess, video me.
Come on, man.
Farm here. And my yard here, so see it there. See it there. See it there. Me plant cocoa. See me cocoa. What me do? Get receipt for me cocoa. The police come out of Bagwag police station. Where they come out of the roundabout. Where they lock up the farmer them when they go and market.
I know.
In front of the line. See it there. Me plant banana. See it there. See me banana here. Come to the front of the line. What me do? Get receipt for me. See it there, my yard here, saying. And my yard here, so. Me plant banana. See it there. See me banana tree them here. See it there. See me banana tree them here. See me banana tree them here. See me cocoa walk here. See me cocoa here. What me do? Get receipt for me cocoa. See it there. See me cocoa them here. Look for this one next bunch of banana here. See it there. See me banana here. One next bunch of banana this in my yard. See me yard there. See me ground here. See the yam them here.
Yam ground.
See me banana walk there. Me plant ginger. Me plant cocoa. Me plant yam. See it there. See it there. Alright. You see it? Me a big farmer, man. Me a big farmer. See it there. See it there. See my banana there. Next bunch of banana this. See it there. What me do? Get receipt for my banana. Or me I go write a receipt for me one self. See me yam ground here. Me plant pumpkin. See it there. See it there. And me yard here say no see it there.
Receipt for sure, so what?
Pumpkin. See it there. Pumpkin. Me have been in my yard here so. What me do? Write receipt for me pumpkin and me plant. When you lock me up, so we not receipt for the load. Me have my farmer's ID and you still lock me up. See it there, me a pumpkin. See it there, see it there. I am them here. See it there, me am ready for dig. What me do? How me I go dig me? How me I go write receipt? See it there. Me plant potato. See it there. See it there. Oh yeah. And me potato root this in my plant in my yard. See it there. See me potato here. Look here. I'm not dig a potato. I'm not save no potato in this. Blood clay, but the beer in the clear. Come me potato, a beer in clear. Clear potato. Clear. Blood clay, cause I big one here. See me potato here. Clear. Clear. It beer too nice potato. See it. So I'm going to get this seed for
food
me
right away.
When if you come down and left the people and I go and market. Bagwag police station. Me not talk the good police them out of the Bagwag police station. Me I talk the little old man police in bad mind. And the next one the bad mind. The young boy police never want to lock me up in the kind of system. Me a hard working Jamaican. Me not thief. Me not broke nobody's shop. Right? Me not thief people sitting see me ground here. I'm yard ground this you know. Me no go down at the next ground yet. Let me go down and make cabbage farm down there so when me plant acres of cabbage. See me have 2 more bunch of banana. Come princess, come out here.
Lord God.
Come out here. Come out here. See it there. See me yam ground here. I mean yam ground this. See it there. See it there. It's a me yard ground. So it is. See this amount of yam on the plant here. So. Come on, that's that. See it there. Bagwag police enough to come down and left the people then alone. See it there. Here. Come on, princess. Come on.
Daddy, you can't zoom.
Come on, just no princess. Come now, come now. Come on. See it there. Come on. See it there. See it there. Me plant cane. See it there. This a cane. Me plant cane. See it there. This a banana. You see the amount of banana me have been here. See it there. See that? 2 bunch of banana me here. So again, see it there. I'm a yard this, you know. I'm a yard this. This I'm a yard. I'm a yard this. See there. See 1 bunch of banana there. See 1 more banana bunch here. So what me I go do? Get receipt. For them a banana here, when me plant it. I'm for write a receipt to me one myself. And for me sitting where me plant. How me forget receipt for this? Come here, sir. See it there. See it there. See it there. I'll pay me plant tree. See me pear tree. Look how me pear tree there. Go there. Go pear. Me pear tree there till it laying down. What me I go do? Get receipt for me pear them. Get receipt for me pay them. You know if you come down, Bagwag police, you know if you come down and left the people them alone and go look for thief. You know just step on taxi man and the farmer them. Come up here so that.
Come in.
Come up faster man. Come on faster.
Me not know which way
Come
to
man.
go.
What's on this canoe man? Come man. Come here. See, you see amount of cane me plant, this amount of cane. Yam, see it the yam. Me plant yam. See it there, me see no about potato when me dig out of my ground. See it there. Potato. Come up here, sir. See it there. Me plant chocho. Could the amount of chocho? 10 dozen chocho me pick last week, me pick 10 dozen chocho off of this tree. Come on me chocho tree. You see me chocho tree there? Look here. Come here. Me a poil chocho them man. Them a chocho poil under the tree. Me no short of food man. A food me plant. Food security we are deal with. The agriculture minister said we plant food. And we are plant food. And we don't see where road do not lock we up for we food. Don't know if you come down and go look for thief. I left the distant citizen them where they plant their food. And if we left we alone man, and if you come down man and go look for the thief them man, you say we look like thief. Bagwag police and who me attack. And if you come down, when you come out of the square at night time, I said for the market people them, if you lock them up and I lock them up and I charge them for what? A grudge no grudge, I what? A bad man you no have, I what? He look like a bad man you no have man. And you will not send if you can lock up nobody brother. When if you come down, I left the people them alone. You know want to turn we in a thief. Me no have no time to go to courthouse you know, and me farm me depend. Me depend me farm. If you work now, me have to go left there go to courthouse. So what? If you plant me banana and me sitting them. Lock off. Me like how you answer the question. See me here, me register with rada. See me paper here. Alright. And this are the summons when me get to go to court. The 2nd of September we have to go to court. And at the police station out of Bagwell police. No Bagwell Bagwag police. The Bagwag police are them a lock we up on a charge if we goods when we are going to market. Bagwag police. See it them register with rada, see it there. See me rada receipt here. See it there. And this is a summon so me get to go to court. Cheer we. One whole heap of we. Then lock we up and charge we. And see it them me register with rada. See it there. Me register with rada and the police still lock me up. And charge me and say me have to carry money to come to court. So tell me what me have to go do now. Alright.